In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-page form on Wix Studio, whether you're looking to streamline your data collection process or enhance user experience by breaking down lengthy forms into more manageable steps. Setting up a multi-page form is a great solution. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you feel confident in creating your form by the end of this session. First, let's start by navigating to Wix.com. Once you're on the website, you'll need to sign into your account. If you haven't already done so, make sure you have administrative privileges for the site you are working on, as this is necessary for creating and modifying forms. From your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the page where you'll see an option labeled Forms and Submissions. Click on it. This section is the hub for all your form-related activities on Wix Studio, offering an overview of existing forms and allowing you to create new ones. Now that you're in the Forms and Submissions section, it's time to create your form. Click on Create New Form, which can typically be found on the main page of this section. Wix offers a variety of templates to help you get started, or if you prefer, you can choose to build your form from scratch. Take advantage of the drag and drop functionality that allows easy customization of fields. Think about the type of information you need to collect and design your form with those specific fields in mind. After you've crafted your form, it's time to focus on turning it into a multi-page structure. Navigate back to the main dashboard and select the Pages option. This is where you organize the contents of your site, and it's essential for structuring forms with multiple sections. Next, to add a page, click on the Add Page button, typically found towards the top of the Pages section. This step involves creating additional form pages or steps, ensuring that your respondents won't be daunted by a long single-page form. Remember, breaking your form into multi-page steps not only improves user experience, but can also increase form submission completion rates. Continue by clicking on Add Page repeatedly as you see fit, organizing each page's function and purpose. For instance, you might dedicate one page to personal details, another to survey questions, and perhaps another to requests for additional information or uploads. Customize each page just as you did the first, ensuring consistency in style and coherence to enhance the user experience. With these steps complete, your multi-page form on Wix Studio is ready for action. Don't forget to test your form to ensure each page flows correctly to the next and that all functionalities operate as desired. By following these instructions, you'll have a robust, user-friendly form ready for your users in no time. Enjoy creating and happy form building.